Hello and welcome to the MKLAB. Today's an exciting day because not only are we going to customize a bag, we're going to give it a facelift. This customer works for Condé Nast and she travels all over the world. What she wanted to do is add a few symbols that represent her most beloved destinations. So without further ado, let me show you the process. What did you guys think? And what are your favorite places to travel? Comment below. And before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one.